Warning: this invention is protected by law under U.S. patents and patents worldwide. Welcome to the Split Ender Pro Quick Start video. This video is intended for a quick reference only. You must refer to the instruction manual for further details. Hair preparation. Wash the hair to make sure it is free from natural oils and product solution. Next, completely blow dry the hair thoroughly before using the Split Ender Pro. Important: the Split Ender Pro will only work on clean and fully dry hair. Next, comb the hair completely free of tangles before using the Split Ender Pro, just to avoid hair pulling. The Split Ender Pro should run through your client's hair nice and easy. Next, divide the hair in the middle in two half sections. Clip away one half section from the back towards the front using one of the two sectioning clips provided, just to keep it out of the way while treating the other side. Repeat it on the opposite side after treating the first half section. Now you're ready to begin treatment. Step 1. Select a small thin section of hair. Spread it into a thin layer before placing it on top of the hair plate guides, and comb it free of tangles. This will allow the hairs to freely run through the hair plate and avoid getting pulled. This is a good time for you and your client to feel the damaged hair ends by running the hair between your fingers the same way you can see it on the picture. This will allow you to assess the damage and feel the difference before and after treatment. Before treatment, the hair should feel rough with dry ends. After treatment, it should feel soft and silky as you have removed all the dead ends and split ends from the hair. The before and after is very noticeable, while the hair length looks the same. This is what I call the before and after instant result demonstration. You and your client will be very impressed. Step 2. Open the hair plate by sliding the lock on to the lock off position located underneath the unit. Step 3. Select the arrow pointing to the floor and press the button. A green light will turn on, letting you know that the unit is activated and ready to go. The motor will only turn on when pressing the pressing handle. Remember, the directional switch is reversible, so as you switch from one hand to another, if need be, you also need to reverse the directional switch, always with the arrow pointing to the floor. Step 4. Place the thin section of hair on top of the hair plate center guides, no wider than the width of the center guides and no thicker than the height of the center guides. Step 5. Gently squeeze the hair plate pressing handle until unit activates. Begin hair treatment procedure. Starting at the top, while holding the section of hair with one hand and the Split Ender Pro with the other, work towards the end and slowly comb the hair with the Split Ender Pro all the way to the bottom. Make sure you treat 3 times per section all the way around the head of hair. This will ensure that the haircut will not change. Note: if you feel you're pulling the hair, then you either have too much hair on the hair plate or the hair is not free of tangles. Take some hair out, brush it, and try it again. After you're done with the third treatment, you and your client should run the hair between your fingers again and feel how soft and silky the hair feels like. That is how the entire hair should feel like after you're completed. After you finish every section of hair, clip it to the side, separating it from the untreated hair. Select another small thin section of hair and repeat treatment until that working side is finished. Then repeat it in the other side until both sides are completed. From time to time while you're treating the hair, you will see that the hair chamber housing is getting full of little bits of hairs. Stop for a minute and empty the hair chamber, pouring it over a sheet of paper or a countertop as you go. This ensures that the blade housing is clean during treatment as you go for a better Split Ender Pro performance. As you can see, this is how all the split ends and damaged hair ends look like after being trimmed by the Split Ender Pro. The Split Ender Pro snips the ends, not the length. Thanks to the Split Ender Pro, now men and women can grow longer hair faster, more beautiful, and healthier than ever before. The Split Ender Pro works in all type of hair, including synthetic and human hair extensions. The new patented Split Ender Pro Surgery Trim System technology safely trims the very ends of the hair where damaged hair ends and split ends start, while preserving the beautiful, long, healthy hair, ensuring that all the ends, split, damaged, or dry, are trim and healthy. The Split Ender Pro by Talavera Hair Products. This concludes our Split Ender Pro Quick Start video. Please visit us at www.splitenderpro.com. You must refer to an instruction manual for further details. And remember, the Split Ender Pro is the cordless split end hair trimmer. Snips the ends, not the length. Safely trims split ends and damaged hair ends in minutes. It's easier, faster, and safer than scissors. Split Ender Pro by Talavera Hair Products. The new revolution.